trap. Oh my god. Alright, yeah.
Eli,
Almost booted me.
look at me.
Oh my god.
You're doing good.
Yeah.
Come on up. Yeah, you can go back there. There's plenty of places. Once you get your
I
buddy.
see him. I am his buddy.
Oh, okay, yeah. Once you get your buddy up here, you guys can go explore.
I am his buddy.
All right. Then you guys are all set. Okay, go this way.
Eli, that was kind of crazy.
Go right behind me.
That might have been the craziest one yet.
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, that was my bag of chips.
Bag of chips.
All right,
His bag of chips popped.
all right,
Go
Eli.
head down now.
Go with
Wait, I need
Asher
my
and
bag. Jose's bringing it up.
don't go far.
Actually,
Whoa,
that
there's
was your
roots.
bag.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, that's how close we are to the surface.
I love it.
Jose, do you have my bag?
Who's next?
I am not going back.
Do you have my bag?
No.
now?
How are you going to get out if you're not going to go back?
I was just saying, like,
No, you're doing great. You're doing great. Look at this.
All right, Hosea, look at me.
Very good.
All
Do you
right.
have my bag?
Very good. Now just come on behind me.
yeah, that was your bag that popped. It sounded like a chip bag popping.
Here. Throw it. Here. Here you go.
I don't know what popped, but it was probably like a chip bag.
My head barely. Well, you have to
All right, who's next?
orient yourself so that your helmet fits.
Yeah, I made it out.
That was definitely the craziest bag yet. Yeah. Yeah, let's come this way.
Ah, interesting. We're getting close to ground. There are roots down here.
No, you being there with the second light makes a big difference. Because it just get a lot more
Oh, yeah.
video without so much shadow.
My hair.
I have a feeling no, we haven't been down here.
No.
How's it coming?
I see a light. I see a hand.
Oh wait, those are icicles, I think. What? Yeah, those
I
are
don't think they're icicles.
You got to wait for your buddy.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to wait for David.
My helmet.
You can do it.
Whatever.
We're making history today.
Can you grab his bag?
Yeah. Alright.
You're right. We are making history today.
Wait. Here you go.
Awesome. You're doing good. This is a tough one.
Take your time.
Yeah.
All right, David, look at me.
Right.
I'm over here.
David, tell me when I'm good to go.
I'll tell you when I get fully out.
All right.
Yeah? Yeah. Well, we can't come yet because our buddies are still out of the hole. When David's about to come out, so I'll be in there in a minute.
No, you're good.
Alright.
Can you just go
One.
right behind me?
Another down.
Okay. Very
So
good.
come on.
Dan, do you have any water?
I do. When we get to the next room, I'll give you some water.
Let's see, can I do this? Ooh, it's gonna be tight even for me.
Is it a bottle?
Yeah.
Is it okay if I have one?
I only have one bottle.
Let me
You guys
see.
can share it, or you can put some water in your empty bottle.
Yeah, I brought like a spindle, I think. Like, really?
Wait, are you and
Yes, I brought it.
Boy,
Yes.
Jesus! What did I at this thing?
guys? We found a good path.
You're doing good. Look at this.
Oh, you guys, man.
And interesting, my backpack isn't getting destroyed. And this is like 8 years old.
Screw chiropractics, I'm going into here.
Alan,
Yeah.
I think we found a good path.
A what?
A good path.
All
Good.
right.
I'm not going to
You guys can explore, just stay with your buddy.
All right, Robert, turn and look at me when you
He
get out.
wants to go, but I don't want to go.
Keep going.
Oh God. There we go.
Very good. Look at this.
So which way do we got? Left or right?
Behind me.
He wants to
No,
go,
it's coming
but
behind you,
I
by the way,
don't-
Dan.
Oh,
Pick from fifth row.
I don't want
Okay.
to go.
all right, so you're the last one,
Yeah.
Robert?
Okay.
Okay, so after
Very
Made it
good.
through the keyhole.
All
I'm gonna
right.
keep that lock next time. Dan, you were not making that. I barely made it.
Oh, there was no way I was going to try.
Knowing how you were making that.
I heard
can't,
the description.
I can't believe I just made that. The rock was on my back when I went to take the turn up. If I
Yeah.
had any more round, I wasn't taking that turn. And I'm not a big guy.
guys,
It is
you
tight.
said they have water.
Keep going forward right now.
Okay, let's go down
I'll
here
get
so
you
we can
the
get off
water
of
when
this.
I get over there.
We need to get off of this little mound here.
Oh God. Look at all the roots here.
This is a good exercise.
Yeah, I know. That's right. You all are gonna sleep well tonight.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
And after a nice meal as well, definitely.
Okay, I am going to stay here, and you can go explore. This splits off into two passages, and they both choke out, and then you have to come back. But you can
I'm good.
do one and then go to the other one, and
I keyholed. I'm good.
yeah, okay. You can take a
good.
break.
Oh my God, I'm good.
Good.
No, you can explore if you want. I need a. We don't have to go back through that, right?
Dan, did you want to go look?
I'll take a look.
Yeah, that's. Oh,
Look at all that.
wow, that's so pretty. So where is this hanging rock hole here?
This is
The
part of
Hanging
it.
Rock Hole was back
Ah,
there.
yeah.
Yeah, you'll see the big hanging
Where
rocks
we
down here.
first went through.
Is that where you go?
Oh, right where the
When
you go through the
right where the
hole?
right where you go through the hole. and we
That's
came
the-
out.
That's hanging rock hole.
All right, who wanted water?
Yeah. See those big
I forgot
rocks.
to look up.
You can go back. Okay.
We'll be headed back that way.
All right. You want? There's some exploring you can do up ahead. I am done.
Well, Jose, you could take some of this water and refill your bottle. Okay.
This looks like a nose.
That's my story.
All right, Alan.
Robert, this looks like a nose.
It does. It goes good. Oh man. So I'm like a 32.
Oh, that works.
So there's your size limit.
Very good.
I'm like a 32, 34-ish.
Okay.
I'm between, depending on the pants. Between the 32. We can read what it says on my pants when we get outside. That'll be your size limit.
Okay.
Cause I barely fit.
Barely fit. That's
That was a bad. That was not a good
I
idea.
have a tough time with that one.
Yeah. Ow. It actually got me in the shoulder more than anything else.
Yeah.
Yeah, that turn through the. Because I came out, I saw them make the turn, and then I'm like, I thought the rock stabbed me right in the back because I had like just enough room to make that bend up. Like once I saw, I got to when I was at the back, I'm like, wait, if I just push forward and just kind of. Once I realized I can make the turn, that was fine.
All right,
Yeah.
well, let me slide past you.
But that rock that hangs down in the middle of the keyhole right when you make the turn up is like.
You can go
I
exploring.
felt it. That's why. That's what the chiropractor died here. Was that it was digging in my back. So it's any wider. I might have made it. Hope he wants some Advil with you.
Did I bring Advil?
Yeah. All right, then we're stopping the sheets.
Yeah.
I'll probably still stopping the sheets. The
They
bottom
didn't
one.
have any,
They
actually didn't have any supplies like you would normally get at a Wawa.
You know they had wine though. They had
Well, you know
wine.
what? It's all about making money.
I
I
might
make
need-
a lot more money by
Yeah.
selling wine and beer and things like that.
All right. Well, I still have ibuprofen at the Scout stop if they're open. If not, I'll be fine.
I'm sure that there's a grocery store that
Has ibuprofen?
has. Well, I want to get the spray oil.
Yeah, that too.
And,
So
sure, on the way back.
I was thinking of stopping and buying like a big
I'm
water.
looking at the. You see all the dust coming off
Yeah,
you.
no. Well, it's because I went through the keyhole, man. You're turning it head. You're coming cleaner and cleaner. It's definitely not as muddy this
Well,
time,
it's
though.
not sticking to my shirt.
Yeah, that's what it is.
It's one of these.
Dry fit.
Well, it's that whatever fabric. I mean, it's
What time you got? How long have you been in here for?
about an hour and a half.
That's it?
Oh, somebody dropped some trash.
Well, pick it up.
You want a
What is
Nature Valley dark chocolate cherry mix?
Alright, well,
Or-
there must be a hole in my
Stick it
bag.
in somebody's pocket or.
There must be a hole. I wonder if there's a tear in my bag. Thank you.
Okay. Are we headed back
We
here?
found a good path up here.
But they all dead end, he says.
Do you need help though?
There must have. I wonder if there's a small hole in my bag from the.
That could be.
No,
Keyhole or?
I don't know. I don't see one. This bag's went up pretty well actually.
Oh, I just lost my light.
I'll fix it. I don't know what's that. Glad I
Do you want me to
did.
fix that for you, or?
Oh, so let's go there.
Yeah.
Can't be too complicated.
Can't remember. It's only been an hour and a half. Feels like it's been a lot longer. I feel like we've been in here for like that. I was gonna say 2 or 3 hours this morning. It feels like a long. You don't go very. How far do you think you've actually been?
We haven't been that far.
I know, but
We haven't got
it's
that far.
slow moving.
Yeah.
I'm sure when you go, you move a lot faster too, with one person.
There you go.
I keep telling them we're underneath the cows right now.
Yes.
Ooh, scare them.
There you go.
All right, they're headed back here. I'm gonna start moving out of the way.
Are we going back this way?
We're gonna head back up this hallway here.
I know, 'cause this is about, I think, how long we were in here last time before we turned around. We've only got an hour and a half to run.
Now, let's get everybody back together again. Give everybody a 5-minute break.
Whoa, what is that?
It's a rock.
No, there's like a bug.
Well, don't leave it alone, it's for the bats. They brought it for. It's just the cows, guys. It's for the bats to eat.
Probably what it is.
Alright, you're gonna take the middle. Alright, Hudson, keep moving.
All right, so go past me, go on up, follow Robert.
And don't go back down through the keyhole. No, do not. So you gotta step over it. Ah. I kind of picked the bot mitts over this there.
What a loser.
I know.
Oh, I think something might be leaking from your back.
Ah, crap.
Here, just squeeze
Go,
right
no,
past you.
go, go, go. Next one. Either the pickles, ooh, or the water.
Mm.
Alright, go on. What do we got here? Line.
Because there's a lot of passages off the side in this hall. If you want to explore some of these passages, you're more than welcome.
This is Indian rock hole, correct?
Yeah.
The bot mitts over there. That's
Rocks hanging all over the place here.
Yo, there's so many passages.
Yeah, you could. Some of these loop around. Some of them don't. You have to kind of
Asher, look, it's a passage.
And
that goes
poke around to see which ones go.
and up again. It's like a.
up, down, turn around, turn around.
See?
Oh, I see hanging rocks now.
Where?
Right here, right behind you. Right here. Hanging rock is right here. Ah, Mr. Rock. Oh no, moved.
Wait, what?
The hanging rock moved. Run. I'm pretty sure
Whoa, oh my god.
you're right, Asher.
Yeah. I thought you were over there when you said hi, Eli, and I looked down there. All of a sudden, you're there. I was like, oh crap.
I think you scared. You tried to scare Eli. We got Asher. That's impressive.
No, I was just saying hi to Eli.
I know he got Asher.
But I wasn't trying to scare you.
Yeah.
Alright.
You can go explore if you want.
Oh, look, Asher. Here. I am not going down there.
You getting tired?
It's actually not that tight.
Alright, well, we can talk about that.
That is not tight at all, Asher.
Well, look at that.
Sometimes you have to really get into it to see how tight it is and see the
I
passage.
can't even see
Stay
it.
to the right. You see the hanging rock? Yeah, I saw the hanging rock.
It's not tight. Asher, duck down. It's not tight.
Come to the right. It's easier to stay to the right.
Oh, yeah, it's not.
What?
It doesn't go anywhere.
You can take a look.
Does it go
I think
anywhere?
some of them
That one
do.
here?
I think that one does. I'm not sure.
Which one does?
Yeah, I know it's down. Come on.
Which one's
Just
goes?
make sure Dan doesn't pass you.
I don't remember which one goes where.
Where's the keyhole?
There's so many passages off the side.
You did?
Yeah,
I don't remember.
Walked over.
You have to kind of go and look yourself.
How do we all
It
figure
looks
out?
different from the top than it
You guys
does
want to go here?
from the bottom.
You can take a look.
This is like a.
If worse comes to
Let's
worse, you
leave
just
our bags
back
here.
out again. That's all.
These are bags.
Oh yeah, let's leave our bags here. It's another checkpoint. This is a
I
checkpoint.
need a dim. I got a dim check here.
Asher, we got another checkpoint.
Yeah, sure. Hey, Alan, I think I need some more batteries.
Yeah,
Yeah.
your backup light's still working though.
Yeah, I know, but this one's. Are you out of batteries?
I think I'm
Whoa,
just
what's
about
down
out of
there?
batteries.
That's right.
What's down there?
You're certain death.
That's the other hallway we're in.
That's the bunny hole. No.
Can we go down there?
You can take a look if you want.
Isn't that where they came out?
This is where we were sitting.
This is the alternate. This is if you didn't take the bunny hole.
Right.
Oh.
It's the easy way.
So we just came. Well. All right.
And then you can climb up here behind me.
Wait, should we take our bags?
And eventually there's a small passage at the far end of this hallway that you can go
Everything
through
goes
into
back to that
another room.
hallway again.
Sort of a roundabout way. We can get to there from way back here.
All over the ground.
Let me get over here.
What'd you guys do?
There's a lot of gross, like, centipedes.
Just leave them alone.
Yep, leave them for the bats.
Yeah, I know. They're everywhere, all over the ground.
Well, at least it's not snakes. Why did it have to be snakes?
How could there be snakes down here?
There's a snake.
Thank you, Indy.
Indiana.
Fine. I knew he would get it. I figured you would get it. I was hoping one of these guys would get
Of
it.
course.
Snakes.
Yeah.
Why did it have to be snakes?
No, that's too old for them.
I knew you were waiting for the appropriate response.
I was like hoping someone would be like,
I was giving everybody else an
well,
opportunity.
no. Alan started laughing, so I knew he knew where I was going.
Yeah.
Because he started laughing right as soon as I said snakes. He just started laughing. So I knew he had the jet. All right,
Can I go
guys,
up there?
hold up. Let's,
We could go up. We're going to go down the hall further,
Oh,
and then through another passageway into the next room.
and then we'll wait. We're gonna take a little break there,
Yeah.
and we'll see how you guys are doing, and we'll make the determination whether we.
Whoa, it's so flat.
Can you pass me my...
It's rocky flat.
Oh wow, that's hanging too.
Hosea,
Yeah.
Hosea, can you pass me my bag?
Oh, yeah.
You want to head up
Also
on
drop my
over?
bag
You have to
too.
climb up this big rock here,
That's my bag. The yellow one.
and I'm going to stay here and make sure you guys all get up and over this rock
Should
here.
we go over?
Just take your time, okay?
Yep, go.